Hey guys, today it's Lock Sunday and I will try and pick this one. I showed this yesterday and I had a key for it and I found another key and made that to a tension wrench. So it's locked. Let us try. So we don't make a too long video today. I have some other stuff to do, and there is only one lever, so there is really nothing to it. There we go. It's picked. So yeah guys, we can get in now. But there was a thing I forgot to show you yesterday. You can see a little bit here. If we have some light. But it isn't much you can see on the side either. But still, there is this piece missing. So, that's all guys. I just wanted to show you that too. And that I had made a tension wrench. So, happy Lock Sunday, thanks for watching, and have a good day.